back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be installing these Calvert 9010 drag racing shocks. So to take the shocks off, it's pretty simple on these cars. All you got to do is remove this nut up top under the engine bay, and then down underneath there's a bolt and a nut that you take off, and then the shock just comes right out. So I thought I'd show you guys real quick. This is a 9010 shock, which means lift. When the shock lifts, it's real easy to pull out, and then when it rebounds, it's a lot harder to push in. So that's going to give you lift when you hit the throttle, real easy, and then set the suspension back down easy as well. All right, got the driver's shock all bolted in and tight. There it is right there. On this side, I have to take a Sawzall and cut that because it's too close to my header tube. But anyway, this nut up here, you don't just keep tightening it, tightening it, and tightening it. You just want to tighten it just so that the bushing is starting to bulge out from the washer there. That's what I do anyway. Anyway, I'm going to go to the other side, do the other side, and get it done. Oops, left a couple marks.